Hey guys, and welcome back. I think this evening, getting out kind of late again, but I think we're taking kind of easy tonight. We worked in the yard all day, and I don't know if you can tell, but I got a little burnt, real tender, so I'm just gonna take it easy, not do any kind of real work on the Bronco. Thought this would be a good opportunity to go over our new parts and such that we got, and kind of update the price of what the Broncos come to so far. Got my spreadsheet pulled up on the computer here, and I added what we got here lately, and it tacked on some money. First time y'all seeing this, bought the Bronco behind me. You can see it back there. Running and driving Bronco. Problems we had with it was the floor was rusted, inner outer rockers, and the A-pillar. I probably could have got away with just patching the lower piece in and patching up the kick panel, but I didn't want to kind of have that like Frankenstein look with cutting out and having seam welds and all that stuff. So we replaced the kick panels, floors, inner rocker, outer rocker, and the A-pillars. Where we're at now is fitting the doors, getting the A-pillars where they need to be, and trying to get our gaps right so we can weld in the kick panel on the driver's side, the A-pillar, the front of the A-pillar, and the outer rocker. Get all that welded in, and then we'll come to the passenger side and do the same thing. We got all the metal in, which I may have to purchase additional parts to replace my replacement parts, since I kind of think I might have messed some of them up. But we're gonna work with what we got for now and see how that works with us. I think since last time I did this, I do believe the floors and all the stuff I mentioned before was already in it, and this video we have some new stuff. If y'all been watching, then y'all kind of know what I've already had. We bought the passenger side fender. You kind of see it behind me back there. But got that from Dennis Carpenter. It come to me really nice. I was really happy with how it shipped and how it arrived. There's not one thing wrong with it, other than I kind of scratched it up when I was putting the hood. I don't think you can see it. It's way back over there on it. Anyways, we got that. Fender bolt clips, the stainless steel ones to bolt the fenders down, and a quick release door hinge. It's a stainless steel kind. I don't have my passenger side there, on the driver's side right now, but all that right there total from Dennis Carpenter came to $578.79, but with tax it was $609. Well, tax it was $609.11. So that bumped us up. And then we got some door shims from Wild Horse, and they're $29.95. So that's not too bad. I think last time we did this video, we was right at 35 or so, maybe 100, and that's including the cost of the Bronco. With these new additions, just the parts, we're at $5,277.87, just in parts here and parts we have yet to place on the Bronco. Some of the major items that I got has been like from Christmas gifts and such, so I hadn't been out of my pocket, but it did come out of somebody's pocket. But the biggest ones were the American Auto Wire Complete Rewire Kit. Back when I got it years ago. I hope it's still good. It was $656.10. And then another one was the OEM grill from Dennis Carpenter, which I found the receipt for it here. Is in the box. It came to $449, which is a little bit less than what I have on here, so I have to adjust that later. And then let's see, fender was a pretty big purchase. We bought a distributor for it, $140. Two door shells I got Christmas. Those are $319 a piece. I do got the rockers on here twice, I do believe. Those are the big major ticket items that I do have here. And the speedo, we got a new speedo speedometer. It's in box, it's brand new. It's has the old style. It's not digital or anything like that. It looks like the original gauge cluster that goes in there. I got that for Christmas too. Most of the parts I purchased have been from Bronco Graveyard, but I think sheet metal wise, I'm gonna go with Dennis Carpenter, just for the fact that that fender came in like I said, perfect shape. Didn't have no issues with it. No scratch. Box was even contained. I mean by contained, there's no holes or anything like that. I did buy the floors from another company, and the box arrived. I think I had a video of it. It arrived with holes in it, pieces just moving around in there. So I was pretty surprised I got all the parts I needed. But anyways, I forgot where we got the doors, not from Dennis Carpenter, but from another company too. And I had to send, I think, the driver's side back twice, and we finally got a good set, just because the shipping corners were bent in, and I was just pretty new to this, and I just expected them to come in and be perfect, which I know they can't always be that way. But some of it, I think this is the passenger side door here that we got, the whole corner is just folded down, so they just told me to keep that one. They sent me another one. But reminds me, I'm probably gonna be selling that door shell and the old doors if anybody's interested in them. Also got a half cab back there, half cab top. It's fiberglass. It needs work, but that's also for sale. If y'all have any parts you're looking for, let me know. I may have them, and if I'm not going to use them, then I'll be more than willing to sell them to y'all or whatnot. Maybe trade or do something. But my whole shelf over there is full of Bronco parts right now. Anyways, so yeah, we're about up to 55. I would say we're close to 5,500 with consumables. That's not added in here. Spray paint, those sanding pads, new tools, that little mini belt sander since last time, and I think a few other things I can't remember right now. Oh, the blaster, the sand blaster, bought that too, so I'm going to throw it on this, even though I'll be using it for some other things. But I think all in all, we're probably right around 5,500 in this, and 1,500 that is the Bronco itself. If y'all are new, I said this before, but bought off my grandpa for 1,500. That's what he paid for it, and he said he just wanted his money back out of it, so bought it, I say, close to 10-12 years ago, and drove it for a while. It's fun to drive. I used it, and I started tearing the engine out. All my videos had a S-shaped push rod. Don't know how the engine was still running with that in there, but took it to one car show, won best under construction, I think. I have the trophy somewhere in here. I think it's up in the rafters. After that, I brought it to the house, started taking it apart. We moved, had to ship it off to my wife's cousin. He held on to me for a while. Then I went and got it, and we brought it back here. And 2020 started this channel, and that's how far we got. I think we've gotten a lot farther than I would have if I didn't start the channel, because it was just sitting in here just apart. But now I got y'all helping me and encouraging me. I feel like we can get this back on the road here pretty quick. Just need to figure out my dimensions and get everything set, and we can start diving into the frame and suspension and getting all that stuff squared away. Which we do have suspension parts, as in little neoprene bushings and such. That's not on here. No, they're on here. What I don't have on here is the body mount bolt kit. I should have it in my binder, but next time I'll be more prepared than this. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to get out here, and I'm kind of tired and hot, and it's Memorial weekend, or it's Memorial Day, so it'll be good just to have a short video, just kind of sum up what we've been doing and how much it's cost us so far. Next time, I plan on rolling that A-pillar on the driver's side to the front a hair, and seeing if I could set it and have the door, pull the door forward a little bit. I'm gonna get a straight board, run across it, and see if it goes straight. And if that all works out, we'll put the fender on it, get the fender kind of fit where we need it, and then we'll slap the outer rocker up over it. And that may be all we get in that video, because I work 40 hours a week, more sometimes if contractors are working. But another thing too is we're probably going to take the dollies off the International and put them on the Bronco because it's really tight over there. That way we can swing the Bronco this way a little bit and we can have more room over there to maneuver the door, push it around, pull it up and down without worrying about hitting anything. I thought about buying new dollies for this, but more thinking about it, I think we're going to move the International to the second barn and possibly Healy, like I said before, move it out there as well, and move the Camaro in there because that back walls are just almost non-existent, and hate for the barn to fall in on it. So here next couple months, if I'm not in here, I'll be working out there clearing a spot for these, maybe getting some rock to throw out, and at least have them out there out of the weather and relatively safe. And when we do that, we'll have this whole shop to mess with the Bronco. If you like this kind of stuff, these videos like this are few and far between of just talking head. We'll jump back on the Bronco next time, hopefully get our pillar set where we need it, and we may have to cut the front of the A-pillar and make it where it roll back a little bit, and so it can pin the back of the pillar to it and kind of pull it to the front. And anyways, we'll get all that together and hopefully tie it all in and move to the pasture side and do the same. But anyways, getting late, I need to get the girls to bed. Hope y'all had a happy and safe Memorial Day, and if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.